Hey guys, it's VinnyLambo here, and today I'm here with a $20 keyboard. More specifically, the Jellycomb Universal Backlit 7 colors and adjustable brightness ultra light and slim portable wireless Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard with free portable tablet stand for iOS, Android, Windows tablets, and most Bluetooth enabled devices. Incompatible with Nook tablets.
Breathing underwater.
So yeah, this may not be an American-made keyboard, it's not, but who says it's bad? Well, that's what I'm here to find out. Can we game on one? If you want to see me try this keyboard out with PC games, skip to the time on the screen now. But first, let's do a quick run over the rest of the keyboard. This keyboard is small, and I mean tiny. I understand that this may be more commonly used for mobile devices, but hey, my PC is Bluetooth, so I'm going to try it on my PC anyway. There is a no numpad, and it has multi-software compatibility. It has a command/Windows key, a function key, media controls, and backlighting. Yeah, it may not be as nice or as bright as the Corsair Strafe RGB, but it's existent. You have 7 color choices and 3 modes: dim, less dim, and off. All of the features I just went over are good. Not great, just good. But the typing? Oh, that's a whole nother story. I was going to type the whole script on that keyboard until the smallness got to me. Being a person who does not usually look at their keyboard while typing, there was a few problems that arose. For instance, the space between the keys and the size of the keys themselves are not very big, so trying to type quickly can turn into a disaster. I didn't really expect anything less. Also, here's how the keyboard sounds. Alright, so now we are in CSGO, and we're going to see if this keyboard can actually play video games, and hopefully, I'm not even going to go to the settings, I'm just going to hop right into the game, and hopefully all the keys are mapped. I don't know if like Bluetooth keyboards work differently than USB keyboards, since there's like no drivers being installed or something, but yeah, I'll just take a look at my beautiful inventory, my StatTrak SSG, my M4A4 Griffin, StatTrak Origami. That has to be one of the coolest skins ever. But anyway, we're just gonna hop into some St. Mark Demolition. Alright, so let's see how this works. Control. Why is control not working? Control. Oh. Are you kidding? Okay, so on the corner of this Jellycomb keyboard, there is not a control key, it's actually a function key. So the control key, so the control key is next to that. So that means I have to bring my pinky in even more on this crammed keyboard just to hit control. So if you go to the Amazon page for this keyboard and you look at one of the pictures, it'll tell you that there's multi-software compatibility or something with like 3 different operating systems, and each one has their own preset. So for Windows it's function and E. So I did that, and now look, escape does the escape menu, which is awesome. So that's cool, and function is still not crouch, but that's okay. But I mean, otherwise, I mean, it's not that bad. The responsiveness is good for being Bluetooth. I don't see anything wrong with this. The keys feel nice, like at least you can actually feel when you're pressing it. It's not like one of those cheap laptop keyboards where you can't even tell. Alright, we cannot let them win. 10-3, come back, let's go. I need to get a kill. Shoot. There we go, that's 2. Oh, where'd he go? He hop in here. That's 3. Alright, well, that pretty much wraps it up for CSGO. Now let's go try a different game and let's see how it works on there. There we go, Rocket League. Let's see how this performs, because I'm going to be like rapidly pressing a whole bunch. WSD I'm going to be pressing a lot more, so let's see how this works. By the way, Pete, my car, pretty sick. Gotta love that heat wave with Dracos and the white Sentio. It's perfect, because I don't think really nothing can change on the keyboard, right? It's just WSD and then shift to drift, so I don't think anything should change unless the responsiveness is bad. but hopefully that doesn't happen. Oh, that would have been an awesome flick. Actually, those keyboard's bad because I hit shift to drift and it's stuck, like the key stuck. So, I mean, that's what you get from $17 keyboards, right? Oh, okay. Whoa, what? Okay, the key has like, see, now that I'm like pressing different keys faster, they stick. Like W will stick and S will stick and the shift stuck. So I can't, it's almost inhibiting me. It's not for long, but it's just that one like second for gaming, it makes a big difference. So there we go. Doesn't stop me from scoring though. Alright, well that was a good goal. Pretty professional by me. I have to say, this keyboard's not that bad for gaming like this. I mean, unless you're doing like Typeracer or something. Maybe we should try that. Typeracer, there we go. I'm gonna try that. That's our next game. Oh, oh, is that the best goal of all time right there? Best assist of all time at least. But it's a Signet, so what the heck? All of them are. They're all Signets. There we go. We got a victory crate as well. See? Too easy. Now, let's go on the Typeracer. Alright, well, now we are going to try some Typeracer, but first, before we use the Bluetooth keyboard, let's just get a benchmark on the Corsair to see if it's really that much better or worse than my average typing speed. And I have to say, if I'm reading something and typing it, I'm not that great. I'm only good typing something if it's coming from my head. So, just wanted to put that out there. Not an excuse. It's completely legit. What? Oh, come on. Oh my goodness. There we go. We're done with the right now. There we go. Okay, plus. Oh, oh my god. 42. Okay, so it's pretty much it's 42. Because we got both 42 on both. So now let's just get the jellycomb in here and let's see what the jellycomb can do. No, stop. Stop, let's do that. What the heck? No, that. It's distracting me on the old bed. Oh my gosh, it's too moving. Only two. Okay, one. Oh my goodness, 27. It took me 2 minutes to do that. Wow. So there you have it. There is a brief typing test, gaming test, and overview of this $17 keyboard from Amazon. I think the LEDs, the multimedia functions, the multi-software compatibility, all of it together is just not even that bad for $17. And I mean, heck, it's $17, who even cares? So if you guys enjoyed, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this to your friends. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. And if you're still here, comment Liddy17 in the comments. See you guys later.